Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. So in this video, I am going to explain how to divide algebraic expressions using the long division method. So this method is not included in the NCERT textbook, but it will be helpful in higher grade. So I thought it would be helpful to cover this topic for you. And I've also noticed that some schools teach this method to students and it is going to be useful to solve more complex problems later on. So let's begin the class. So division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Now I am going to explain using long division method. So in long division method, first you have to arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in the descending order of their degree. Okay, so if you see the dividend and divisor, if they are not arranged, the power of the variable is not in the descending order of their degree. So first you have to do that. Then divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract the result from the dividend. Now these steps will become more clear when I will be solving few questions. So just now you just go through these steps. When I will be solving the question, you can able to relate it. Okay. Now next will be consider the remainder as a new dividend and then proceed as before. And repeat the process till we obtain a remainder which is either 0 or a polynomial of degree less than that of the divisor. So you have to stop the process if you get remainder either 0 or you get a polynomial whose degree is less than that of the divisor. So these are the 5 steps. Now when I will solve the few questions, then I am going to explain each step again such that you can relate it better. Okay. So now I am going to solve few questions. So this is question number 1. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. So the first rule was arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in the descending order of their degree. So if you see here, it is already arranged in descending order. See, the power of x first is 2, then it is 1, and here x is not there. Even in the divisor also you can see x to the power 1 is here. So it is already arranged in descending order of the degree, isn't it? So now I have to start my division process. So like in a normal division, first we have to write here divisor, which is x plus 1, and then dividend I am going to write here, which is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now the second step was we have to divide the first term of the dividend. Now first term of the dividend is 2x square by the first term of the divisor. First term of the divisor is x to obtain the first term of the quotient. Now what does it mean? So you have to divide 2x square by x. So now you think in x, which is the first term of the divisor, what you will multiply such that you will get the first term of the dividend, which is 2x square. So if you see the first term of the dividend, here is 2 and one more x is more. Here only one x is there. It means I have to multiply with 2x, isn't it? Then only I will get x into 2x as 2x square. It means this will be my first term of the quotient. So the first term of the quotient is 2x. Now the third step says that multiply all the terms of the divisor by the first term of the quotient. Now I have to multiply x plus 1 this completely with 2x. And then after multiplying what I will get, x into 2x is 2x square plus 1 into 2x is 2x. Now before writing 2x you have to see the power of the x on the top and at the bottom both should be same. So if you am writing 2x here, you can see on here in the dividend it is 3x, here is 2x. So both have the same degree, isn't it? So the same degree term we have to write one below the other when we are multiplying the first term of the quotient with the divisor. Now after writing this, as normally what we do in the division, we used to subtract now, right? So now I'm going to subtract it. So when I subtract it, here it is plus, plus will become minus. This plus will also change to minus. Now 2x square minus 2x square is 0, so it will get cancelled out. Now 3x minus 2x will give me x. And then what is left in the dividend, that I have to write. So x plus 1. Now the fourth step says that Consider the remainder. Now this is the remainder as a new dividend. Now this will be my new dividend. And again I have to proceed what I have done in the first, second and third step. So again I have to take the first term of the divisor and I have to see what I will multiply in the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the dividend. Isn't it? So first term of the divisor is x, in which what shall I multiply such that I will get the first term of the new dividend. Now new dividend first term is x only. So x into 1 will give me x. It means in the quotient now I have to write plus 1. And now I have to multiply the divisor x plus 1 with 1. So x plus 1, if I multiply by 1, I will get x plus 1 only. And then I have to do the subtraction. So when I do the subtraction, the sign will change. So here it is plus x, it become minus, plus 1 will become minus 1. Now x minus x is 0, 1 minus 1 is also 0. So my remainder is 0 over here. So here I can say my quotient is 2x plus 1 and my remainder is 0. Okay, now we can do the verification also. So we already know that verification is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here if I have to check whether my division is correct or not, so I have to multiply divisor and the quotient and then I have to add the remainder. Here remainder is 0. So just I have to multiply divisor and the quotient and I have to see whether I am getting this dividend or not. So let's check the verification also. I will do the verification only for this question just to show you. So verify, if I have to do, I have to multiply divisor with the quotient. Quotient is 2x plus 1. So let's multiply. So I will take x, then multiply with the second expression 2x plus 1, then plus 1, again multiply with 2x plus 1. So x into 2x will give me 2x square, x into 1 will give me x, 1 into 2x is 2x, plus 1 into 1 is 1. So you know this, right? First you have to multiply x into 2x, then multiply x into 1. Here 1 into 2x and then 1 into 1, like a distributive property. So it will become 2x square plus x and 2x. Both are like terms, so I have to add it. So x plus 2x will give me 3x. 3x plus 1. And you can see this is only your dividend. So it means my division is correct. So this is only the step. Now move to next question. Now question number 2. You have to divide 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 18 by 3 minus 2x plus x square. So the first step is you have to arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in the descending order of their degrees. So if I see the dividend, already the power of x, if I see it is 3, here 2, here it is 1. So it is in the descending order. But if I see in the divisor, it is not in the descending order. So first I have to make it in the descending order. So it will become x square minus 2x plus 3. So here x square before that plus sign. So this is positive, then minus 2x, then plus 3. So my divisor is x square minus 2x plus 3. So now I'm going to start with the division. So x square minus 2x plus 3. This is the divisor. And the dividend is 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 18. Now I have to divide the first term of the dividend. First term of the dividend is 5x cube with the first term of the divisor, which is x square. So in x square, how much I will multiply such that I will get 5x cube. So here you see x square, here is x cube. So first I have to multiply 1x, then only it will become x cube. And here it is 5. So multiply by 5. So it means x square times 5x will give me 5x cube. Now the third step is I have to multiply all the terms of the divisor with the first term of the quotient. Now this is my first term of the quotient. Now I have to multiply all the three terms of the divisor with this quotient. So first x square into 5x will give me 5x cube. Then minus 2x into 5x will give me minus 10x square. Now you have to take care that the same degree should fall one below the other. Okay. Then 3 into 5x will give me 15x. And then I have to do the subtraction. So when I do the subtraction in algebraic expression, I have to change the sign. So here is plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will change to minus. So 5x cube minus 5x cube, this will become 0. So I can cancel out. Then minus 4 plus 10. Okay, don't get confused. Now it is minus 4 plus 10. So minus 4 plus 10 if I will do, I will get positive 6x square. So I have to write it over here. And then 3x minus 15x will give me minus 12x. And in the dividend now plus 18 is left out. So I have to write it here. So now this remainder will become my new dividend. And again I have to follow the same step. So again in x square, which is the first term of the divisor, what shall I multiply to get 6x square? So I can already see here x square is here also, here also. So I have to just multiply by 6. So I can write here plus 6. And then I have to multiply this 6 with all the terms of the quotient. Sorry, I have to multiply this 6 with all the terms of the divisor. So x square into 6 will give me 6x square. Then minus 2x into 6 will give me 12x. And plus 3 into 6 will give me 18. So now I have to subtract. So sign will change. And I can see 6x square minus 6x square is 0. 12x minus 12x plus 12x is 0. Plus 18 minus 18 is 0. So here I have got my remainder as 0. So quotient is 5x plus 6 and the remainder is 0. So this is the second question. Now we will move to the third question. Question number 3. Divide x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So first step we have to see whether the terms are in the descending order of the degree or not. So first is 3, 2 and then here is 1. So it is the descending order. Here also the power of x is 2 and then 1. So this is also descending order. So I don't have to do any rearrangement. I have to just start with my division. So x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So again I have to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So in x square how much I will multiply to get x cube? So I have to multiply here with x. X square into x will give me x cube. So the first term of the quotient is x. Now multiply all the term of the divisor with the first term of the quotient. So x square into x will give me x cube. Minus 5x into x will give me minus 5x square. And plus 6 into x will give me 6x. Now I have to do the subtraction. So sign will change. X cube minus x cube is 0. Minus 6 plus 5 will give me minus x square and 11 minus 6 will give me plus 5x. And from the dividend I can see minus 6 is left. So minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Now this is my new dividend, isn't it? This is my new dividend. Now again I have to repeat the process. So first I have to divide this minus x square with x square. So in x square, how much shall I multiply such that I will get minus x square? So here you can see x square is here also, it is here also, but there is a minus sign. It means I have to multiply by minus 1. So I have to write here minus 1. X square into minus 1 is minus x square. Now I am multiplying all the term of the divisor with the second term of the quotient. So x square into minus 1 is minus x square. Minus 5x into minus 1 is plus 5x. And then plus 6 minus 1 is minus 6. Now I have to do the subtraction. So sign will change. This minus will become plus, plus will become minus, and this minus will become plus. So now minus x square and plus x square is 0. 5x minus 5x is 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So here again my remainder is 0. So the quotient is x minus 1 and the remainder is 0. So this is my third question. Now we will see some of the question where we will get some remainder. Okay, so let's move on to question number 4. And those who did not subscribe my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. So now I'm moving to question number 4. Now question number 4. Divide 5x cube minus 12x square plus 12x plus 13 by x square minus 3x plus 4. So here first we have to see whether the terms in dividend and divisor are in the descending order of their degree or not. So first is x cube, then x square, then power of x is 1. So it is in descending order. Even in the divisor, if you see power of x is here 2, here it is 1. So this is also descending order of their degree. So now I have to start the division. So my divisor is x square minus 3x plus 4 divided by 5x cube minus 12x square plus 12x plus 13. So now I am going to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So in x square, how much shall I multiply such that I will get 5x cube? So if you can see here, I have to multiply 5 times x. X square into 5 times x will only give me 5x cube. So here I can write here 5x, and now I have to multiply all the terms of the divisor with 5x. So 5x into x square will give me 5x cube, minus 3x into 5x will give me minus 15x square, and plus 4 into 5x will give me 20x. Now I have to do the subtraction. So the sign will change. So this is minus, this will be plus, and this is also minus. So 5x cube minus 5x cube will be 0. Then minus 12 plus 15 will give me 3x square. 12 minus 20 will give me minus 8x. And in the dividend you can see it is plus 13. Now again my new dividend is 3x square minus 8x plus 13. So I have to repeat the same process. So in x square, how much shall I multiply to get 3x square? So I have to multiply here with 3. So 5x plus 3. And when I multiply x square with 3, I will get 3x square. Then minus 3x into 3 will give me minus 9x, and plus 4 into 3 will give me 12. Now I have to do the subtraction. The sign will change. Minus will become plus and plus will become minus. And from here I can see 3x square minus 3x square is 0. So it will cancel out. Minus 8x plus 9x will give me x. And plus 13 minus 12 will give me plus 1. So here I can see my quotient is 5x plus 3 and my remainder is x plus 1. And you can see in the remainder, if you can see in the remainder, the remainder is having a polynomial whose degree is less than that of the divisor. Okay. So here in the divisor, if you see, the highest degree is 2 and here it is 1. So it means now I have to stop. This is my remainder. So this is the fourth question. Now I'm going to do the next question. Now question number 5. We have to divide 8x to the power 4 plus 10x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 1. So here also if you see, the all the terms in the divisor and dividend is in the descending order of the degree, isn't it? It is power of x is 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here power of x is 2 and 1. So they are in the descending order. So let's start the division. So it will be 2x square plus x minus 1 divided by 8x to the power 4 plus 10x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 1. So first you have to see, you have to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So 2x square, how much shall I multiply to get 8x to the power 4? So I can see in 2 how much I will multiply to get 8? It is 4. And x square, how much shall I multiply to get x to the power 4? It is x square. So this you can get if you divide also. If you divide 8x to the power 4 by 2x square, whatever answer you will get, that only you have to write in the quotient. Like this also you can do. So it is 4x square. Now I have to multiply all the terms of the divisor with the first term of the quotient. So it will be 8x to the power 4. 2x square into 4x square will give me 8x to the power 4. X into 4x square will give me 4x cube. And minus 1 into 4x square will give me minus 4x square. Now I have to do the subtraction. So sign will change. This will become 0. Then 10 minus 4 will give me 6x cube, and minus 5 minus 4 will give me, sorry, it will be plus. So minus 5 plus 4 will give me minus x square. Now from the dividend I can see there are two terms left out. So I have to take one term only at down at a time. So it will be minus 4x. Now again I have to repeat the process. So in 2x square, how much shall I multiply to get 6x cube? So 2 times 3 will give me 6, and in x square I have to multiply by x to get x cube. So from here I can write my second term of the quotient will be 3x. And then I have to multiply all the terms of the divisor with the quotient, with the second term of the quotient this time. So 2x square into 3x will give me 6x cube. X into 3x will give me 3x square, and minus 1 into 3x will give me minus 3x. Now I have to do the subtraction, so sign will change. So 6x cube minus 6x cube is 0. Minus x square minus 3x square will give me minus 4x square. And minus 4x plus 3x will give me minus x. And from the dividend, I have to write plus 1 in the remainder. Now this remainder will become the new dividend. So again I have to repeat the process. So in 2x square, how much shall I multiply to get minus 4x square? So first here it is minus, so here minus will come. 2 times 2 will give me 4. So now I have to multiply with minus 2. So now again multiply all the terms of the divisor with minus 2. It will give me minus 4x square. X into minus 2 is minus 2x, and minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Now I have to do the subtraction. So minus sign will change to plus. Plus will change to minus. Now minus x plus 2x will give me x, and 1 minus 2 will give me minus 1. So now this is the final remainder, because the remainder, if you see the degree of the remainder, it is 1, and degree of the divisor is 2. So if the degree is less than that of the divisor, it means now I have to stop. So the quotient here it is 4x square plus 3x minus 2, and my remainder is x minus 1. So I have done 5 questions using long division method. So hope it will be clear. You can solve many more questions from your R.S. Agrawal textbook, and if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Until now, those who did not subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.